Step 7. Tanning Setup. This will need to be checked to enable tanning. If your business is mainly a tanning salon, check this box. This will cause the tanning section in sales to pop up automatically, which reduces the number of clicks when checking clients out. Choose a name and ID code for the bed. If you'd like Insight to track bulb life automatically, you can fill in the following 3 fields. If you have the online booking add-on, you can enable booking online for the bed here. Set the maximum amount of time clients can tan in the bed. If you plan on connecting a TMAX timer to Insight, you can set lead-in and clean-up times, and they will be added onto the tanning duration when starting the bed. You'll need to speak to the Insight support department if you'd like to integrate your TMAX timer. Add or edit the bed schedule here. This will set the bed's hours on the appointment book. Next, we'll add tanning services and packages. Insight keeps tanning services and packages separate from regular services that don't use tanning beds or aren't sold per minute. Choose a service code. This should be a shortened version of the full description that allows for easy searching. Service codes must be unique. Choose a description. This will be the full service name and can be longer than the service code allows. Choose a department and category. Set the amount of minutes the tanning service allows. You can set minutes to 1 if you'd like to change per minute. Set the price. If you have the online booking add-on, you can enable booking online for the service here. Choose which beds are eligible to be booked with this service. Choose a package code and description. Choose a department and category. Choose if the package will be for a specific number of minutes, number of sessions, or unlimited. Set number of minutes or sessions. Set the price. Set expiry rules. Choose a specific service to be redeemed, or leave the package to redeem with any tanning service. We will now try selling a package and redeeming that package. Double-click the client name. If tanning is set to primary emphasis, this window will pop up automatically. Click here to pull up the tanning window manually. Click here to sell a tanning service by itself. Click here to sell a tanning package. Double-click the package to sell. The price is editable here. New and existing packages are shown here. Choose the service to be redeemed by the package. Choose the bed the client will be tanning in. Choose the number of sessions or minutes to redeem. You can also set the service to be paid with cash as well. Set the number of minutes. If you have an integrated TMAX timer, this will determine how many minutes to start the bed for. Insight will record minutes tanned in the client's profile.